Bet you've heard this one before.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be provided for you.
But please, 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 do not show up to a court hearing expecting a lawyer to be automatically provided for you. That's an American thing. In Australia, you do not have an inherent right to legal representation. You certainly have the right to have a lawyer represent you, but you're not guaranteed to have one provided for you. And that's why duty lawyers are so important.
I'm Vanessa. I work as a duty lawyer for Community Plus Legal. We're a community legal centre for the Brimbank and Melton areas. One of the reasons we exist is to make sure that people who can't afford private lawyers are still able to have legal representation. So if you don't have a lawyer but you want one for your hearing, then you can ask one of us duty lawyers at court for free legal help. We provide legal information and advice. We can help you understand your rights, responsibilities, and what your legal options are. Sometimes we can also come into the courtroom with you to speak to the magistrate. We're there to help you on the day of your hearing, but only for that day. Duty lawyers typically don't provide ongoing advice for your case. Often we're very busy with a lot of people who need our services, so we can't promise that we can spend hours with you, but even a short conversation can go a long way in figuring out what you want to do next. Please also keep in mind that we're here to help the people who need it most, such as people who simply can't afford a private lawyer, and so we prioritise these clients when we are on duty. That said, we will do our best to give legal advice or referrals to anyone we're unable to assist.
Duty lawyers are a great service for when you're already at court. However, it's always best to get legal advice before you go to court. What we recommend is, if you have an upcoming hearing at Sunshine Magistrates Court, Wyndham Magistrates Court, or Bacchus Marsh Magistrates Court, contact that court. Or contact Community Plus Legal as soon as possible on 03 8592 9077 to find out what legal support is available to you. Community Plus can also help connect you with other relevant services, whether that be community health, domestic violence support, or financial counselling services. If you're looking for help at a different court in Victoria, you can contact Victoria Legal Aid or your local community legal centre for support.